At William Patterson, we offer the use of a variety of web conferencing solution locations. Use our WebEx room kits to hold meetings, webinars, and presentations of varying sizes at specified locations on our campus. The WebEx room kit is a combination tablet device, soundbar, microphone, and camera, all of which facilitate web conferencing platforms and programs, such as Cisco WebEx, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams, in hosting virtual meetings to include remote participants. If you want to use a room kit to host a virtual meeting, you must first make sure the room is free and that you have reserved it through 25 Live. Watch our 25 Live video for event scheduling instructions. Once the room is scheduled, inviting participants will be next. You must include the room kit associated with the room you reserved on your list of participants when creating the email or event in Outlook. Before signing into the room kit, you must first make sure the multimedia device is turned on and displaying the room kit. This will be a projector or television, depending on the room. To sign into the meeting at the room kit, tap Join, then the keypad option, and enter the password associated with your meeting. If you don't see the Join button, first select the conference software you planned on using and follow the prompts to enter the required credentials. After the room kit has been signed into the meeting, use the options shown to make sure the volume, camera, and microphone settings are set to your preferences. You can also access these preferences from the main menu by tapping the menu button in the top right corner. All room kits have a volume up and volume down button and a microphone mute button on the lower right-hand corner of the tablet device. Pressing the mute button will mute all sounds coming from and going to the room kit. The frame setting can provide a better view of your meeting to remote participants by cropping in-room participants to appear closer together. This frames view can be turned on by going to Camera Options, tapping Camera Control, then selecting Frames. Since you are having a hybrid meeting, which includes participants in the conference room and remote, we recommend against having the in-person participants join the meeting through their laptops. However, if in-person participants want to show their faces by joining on a personal device, they must mute their device's speaker and microphone to prevent audio feedback. College Hall 202 and Valley Road 1800, Room 215, are our two boardrooms that have larger capacities and different capabilities than other WebEx room kit rooms. These two rooms have extra features such as a podium, tabletop microphones, and handheld microphones. When choosing a location for your meeting, keep these extra room features in mind. If you think you may need assistance with one of these rooms for your meeting, please submit your support request at least 72 hours before the scheduled meeting time. To submit a support request, select the Podium Equipment Classroom Support Request type in your Helpdesk ticket, or give the Helpdesk a call. For information regarding these spaces, or general room kit information, visit the IT Wiki and search for Cisco WebEx Room Kits.